Hello everyone, this is a view from Hotel Ivoire, and what you see here in Abidjan is the Lagoon Ebrié that has been so well integrated into the very fabric of this beautiful city that you think you are in some country elsewhere, but this is La Côte d'Ivoire, next door neighbor to Ghana. In fact, from the border at Noé, Lubo to Abidjan is just about 2.5 hours drive, and every single river, every single lake, every single lagoon, apart from the ones that Ghana has destroyed, is beautiful. It's crisp, clean, and it's really just